Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. Here's what's going down in this video today. We have another requested client visit. The client edition is what I like to call it. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I love to do videos pertaining to home life, so I do cooking, cleaning, tutorials on how to do things, how to fix things, projects, DIYs, all of that great stuff. And along the way, I give you some great motivation and tips. In this particular video, I'm at my client's house and I'm doing some dusting. I'm also trying to do a little bit of organizing and just cleaning, just getting everything clean, ready for the holidays. You know, people are gonna come over, and so they do want it to look good. Real quick, let's talk about the cleaning process here. What ends up happening when you have a lot of dust, you want to dust first, then you want to just do kind of like a dry wipe, and then you want to put your cleaner on. In this case, I use two different types of cleaners. I use my concoction of isopropyl alcohol, vinegar, and a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and then I followed it up with the Method wood cleaner. It's the almond scent. Oh my word, it smells amazing. You will have to let me know in the comments below if you've ever used the Method wood cleaner before. My client does sell clothes, so I was just trying to get all of the sizes together and put them on the shelves appropriately. And then I kept thinking about, oh my goodness, if you had baskets, this would be amazing because we could hide all of this stuff. So there's a change of plans. I found a box, so I'm gonna put all of this stuff in a box.
But somehow, all I can think of is when you split. I gotta find the motive, play forward, watch every sequence bit by bit. Cause this is my own investigation. I am obsessed with finding out searching for the missing pieces, try to find the reason why I ended up without you, baby. I got about a million leads to find the answer why you left me in the cold. I'm turning every stone like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me like a detective.
Let me know in the comments below how you guys are doing today. I have some quotes that I'd love to share with you because you know I love to spread positivity. I love to promote like affirmation, self-care, all of that great stuff. So here are the quotes. The first quote says, "At any given moment, you have the power to say, this is not how the story is going to end." So when I read that, I was thinking like, you're right, because you can reinvent yourself as many times as you want. You can change as many times as you want. Tomorrow, you can wake up and say, you know what? I was not very nice yesterday, or I was not very helpful yesterday. So today I'm going to be more helpful and I'm going to be more nice. That's like reinventing yourself, you know?
For the missing pieces.
Okay, this is what we are working with right here in the living room. The table looks really good. I thought it was like dirt on there, but it's just like a stain. I think like the top of it's coming off. Pretty tree. So I have to work on getting those books moved over to the shelves that I just emptied. I'm gonna do that now. The other quote kind of goes along with it. It says, if you're serious about changing your life, you'll find a way. If you're not, you'll find an excuse. I mean, there's really nothing else to say.
Chance. If I solve the puzzle, it would all make sense. But deep inside, I know it's not that simple. Feels like I'm banging my head against the wall. I keep on searching for the missing pieces, try to find the reason why I ended up without you, baby. I got about a million leads to find the answer why you left me in the cold. I'm turning every stone like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me. Like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted.
That little cardinal is so cute. That's the Ohio bird, just so you know. And the table looks great. With my concoction that I mentioned earlier and in a few other previous videos, you can really use it on anything. I also use this on like mirrors and glass because it works very well. I actually like it better than, I think I use, what is that stuff called? Hold on, let me think for a second. Now I remember. I usually use spray away glass cleaner. Prior to that, I was using invisible glass. But what I've noticed is they do leave some kind of streak behind, or whatever you want to call it. At any rate, I don't like that. So that is the reason why I came up with the concoction that I came up with. That is such a tongue twister.
So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out.
You guys, this couch is so comfortable. Here's what it is looking like. I'm actually going to take all of the pillows off and I'm going to vacuum the couch and just do a really, really good couch clean. I was having some issues with the hose to vacuum, so I just, wiped the bottom of the vacuum off and then I just started vacuuming everything like that. So yes, there might be a little bit of dirt that's attracted on the couch. However, we're going to clean it off, so it really doesn't matter at the end of the day. But at least I took the initiative to wipe the bottom of the vacuum off. I just think it's kind of weird putting stuff on the floor and then putting it on your furniture. But that's just me.
There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's.
Okay, so I vacuumed all of these areas really good, and the little pieces, I thought it was dirt. It's lint. It's not coming up, which is fine because, all of this is hidden anyway. So I'm just going to put the pillows back on and clean the couch.
The way you're talking to me, oh.
Here's a little bit of advice that I can give you when cleaning. Number one, put yourself in a position where you're not overwhelming yourself. It's really exhausting to clean your entire house in one day. So if you clean something once a day, every single day, you're not going to be doing a massive deep clean at the end of the week or whenever you choose to clean your home. It can really affect our mental health if we continuously wait until the last minute to clean things, to wipe things down, because you're waiting until it's like disastrous, and that is not very smart. It's exhausting, not good for your mental health, and let's be real, who wants to spend 8 hours cleaning a house? I know I don't. I tried to make the gypsy couch clean quick. This furniture looks so much better. If you have never tried the gypsy couch clean, you should. So today, what I use for my gypsy couch clean is Fabuloso, the antibacterial. It does not smell good, like at all. But I followed it up with some Dawn dish soap, vinegar, and a little bit of alcohol just to get like the stains out, and it looks so much better. Let me know if you guys try this. The Gypsy sisters that I got it from, they typically use Pine Sol to clean their couch. You can't stop with just the couch. You got to do all of the furniture around it. So I'm doing this little ottoman, and I also did the pillows that are on the couch. I feel like if you have the rule of thumb of everything gets wiped when it's cleaning time, then you'll like really be successful in making sure that every space in your house is tidy.
Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be proved.
Another piece of advice that I can give you is try to clean up your spills as they happen. For an example, like when you're cooking on the stove and something splatters, if you clean it up right away, you're not going to be spending a whole bunch of muscle and sweat and time getting that up, because we all know when spills set in, it's a wrap. Another thing is you do not have to clean your furniture off with a carpet cleaner. If you Google it, they're going to tell you it's not really good to clean your furniture off with a carpet cleaner. So this is another reason why I like to do the Gypsy Couch Clean. Yep, I had to put some muscle into that, so I'm sweaty and out of breath. It looks so much better though. Okay, if you've been here for a while, you know I love Hallmark movies, especially while I'm cleaning, around the holidays. This is an area that I need to work on. However, there's not going to be a big transformation with this just because there are so many cords. So, the clients are going to have to handle the cords themselves. I do not organize, but I will wipe it down and clean the heck out of it for you, okay? Look how little this shoe is. It's so cute.
Baby, I can't wait, Ooh, cut on me, blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in.
Look at these spider webs. Do you see them? Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate you. If you have made it this far, please leave a purple heart in the comments. When you're cleaning a TV, it's a good idea to spray the cloth that you are cleaning with and not the television that you're cleaning. And then once you spray it with the cloth, you just, wipe it off, because you just don't know how these TVs are. TVs are expensive. You don't want to be wasting money breaking the TV because you sprayed Windex on it. So that is the best tip that I can give you regarding the television.
Don't speak, there's no need for you talking. Calling the highest sky. I ain't got the urge to leave. Come stay a little while. I've grown tired of wasting others. Hold off, steer me right. Ongoing, dried out silhouettes. I'm numb, you stay the night.
When you're wiping off something, your countertop, your TV stand, your dressers, be sure to remove everything and then wipe, or pick it up and wipe underneath it. I see a lot of people that never wipe underneath, and they're always wondering, why is there a dirt ring around this? And it's like, okay, well, you didn't clean it off. Everything attracts dirt. And that also goes for washing dishes. When you wash your dishes, wash the entire dish, including the handles and the bottom of the dish. For me, if I'm going to take the time to clean something, I want to make sure that I do it right the first time so I don't have to come back and repeat the cycle. That's just basically wasting time, and let's be real, time is precious. This is going to be all for the client edition of the cleaning today. You can expect more videos like this just because I know a lot of you enjoy seeing other scenery and what I do when I help people out. The living space looks so much better. I'm really, really excited for them. They can have some fun, and I'll be back next week. So, huge transformation in the living room. I did add some books on the shelf and some DVDs, some homework that the kids have, and then a little bit of their toys. The plan is to get baskets for this area. But yeah, everything looks good. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.